A sunny afternoon in New York City turns strange. Kids fill the playground while parents relax by the benches. Evil Diego sends Moby the robot to scare kids from the playground. The metal giant stomps closer, and the ground trembles.
Those kids ran off, and now the money is mine.
If I wait, he might steal from more shops.
Wait, Char Char. We need a plan before that robot spots you. We stop him once, so he cannot scare the... I will drop a fake remote, so Moby gets distracted.
Char Char turns invisible and sneaks toward Diego and Moby.
I will act clumsy so he thinks I am harmless.
Got it. Without this remote, Moby cannot follow orders.
With no control signal, Moby shuts down and police grab Diego. Kids cheer as the officers lead the angry thief away.
I guessed Moby would follow anything that looked like the original remote.
Your plan saved the day, Hila. You are the real hero.